Cert and Indices Practice Exam Question 15. Simplify 6 square root 10 divided by square root of 5. So the first thing we think about when we're simplifying is that we always want to rationalize the denominator. And that means we want to get rid of the square root on the bottom. So to do that, we are just going to times this by square root of 5. Because it's a fraction, whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So that means we're timesing the numerator and the denominator by square root of 5. Let's just start with the denominator. Square root 5 times square root 5 equals 5. Then let's look at the top. We've got 6. Square root 10 times 5 is square root 50. Next thing I want to think about is what is a factor of 50 that is a squared number, and it's 25. So I can rewrite this question as 6 square root of 25 square root of 2 over 5. Square root of 25 is 5, and it becomes 6 times 5 is 30. Square root 2 over 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6 square root 2. The other way we could have done this, and that is if you saw a connection with the numerator and the denominator, is the following. We could have just looked at the square root 10 and thought, oh, I can get a square root 5 out of that. So I could have rewritten this as 6 square root 5 square root 2, because 2 times 5 is 10, over square root 5, and I would have just cancelled out my 2 square roots. And that gives me 6 square root 2. So we got it in two methods.